The hidden costs of lead dependency. One of the biggest trends I'm seeing is the growing dependence on purchase leads. Paid leads can absolutely work. The problem occurs when they become the entire marketing strategy. When all of your leads come from someone else's platform, you become vulnerable to the rising costs, increased competition, and reduced control. That's why I believe companies should focus on building marketing assets alongside lead generation. Relying too heavily on paid leads can limit growth, increase costs, and reduce control. And it always seems like lead cost is going up. And that's because competition drives up the prices, and that reduces your profit margins.